We are a pretty young company. It's a startup from 2015, in which we were always puzzled by additive layer manufacturing, and we decided to invest in EOS equipment, and specifically into an M280 in order to start to develop and research new products made with additive layer manufacturing. We mainly serve three different types of industries, which is the motorsport industry, the aerospace industry, and the medical industry. I personally focus more on the medical side, believing that customization of products is one of the key elements, key factors of future medical products. EOS was the only company able to give a complete system with a warranty, with a guarantee, with a process parameter in order to produce additive layer manufacturing components in metal. And this was, I have to say, in our decision matrix, one of the biggest and most relevant topics.